Hey guys, Tashdila everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Japanese chow mein recipe, which is very simple and delicious recipe. I'm going to show you how to make. So guys, before watching video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started how to make, and I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. So first I'm going to boil the noodle. So noodle here I take Japanese Tsurusoba noodle. You can use any kind of noodle as you like. The lightly stir and bring it to boil until not cooked. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. Check the noodle it will cook or not. So mine is already cooked. Now I'm going to stand the water. Remove the old water and I'm going to wash for 2-3 times with running water. Remove the all extra water and keep it aside. 2 teaspoons cooking oil and heat the oil. After that I'm going to add my sauces. You can use any kind of meat as you like. Fry for a couple minutes. After that I'm going to add my vegetable. Vegetable here I choose cabbage, carrot, green onion leaves. If you want more vegetable, you can definitely add. So mix all the vegetable up very well. After that, cover and leave it for 30 seconds. Now let's make the sauce. For sauce, ingredients are very simple. We need 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, half teaspoon sugar. Mix all the ingredients very well. After that, the sauce is ready. One more time stir the vegetable. After that, add the half teaspoon salt. Don't add too much salt because we have already salty sauce. After that, make a space and add the noodle. Again, one more time mix all the ingredients. Now it's time to add the sauce. After adding the sauce, mix all the ingredients very nicely. You don't need to cook all the ingredients because we already cooked everything before. So nicely mix and it's ready to serve. Top on the noodle, I like to serve some ginger pickle. It's not necessary. If you have, you can go. If you don't have, you can definitely skip this part. So guys, this is my final result. It's like pretty and delicious recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Okay guys, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to know more recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.